Here, we are looking at a cluster in the cluster view, in the time frame where an issue has been reported. We see that there are health violations with respect to pending pods and with respect to replicas not ready because some are pending. We can also see this represented in the pod status and narrow down our view by filtering on just those that are in a pending state. In this case, we can see that at 10:47 there was an event that led to some pending pods, and then again, 11 minutes later, additional pending pods resulted. Investigating further in this same view, we can see from the event summary that there is a failed scheduling event. And then by drilling into the event dashboard, we can see further that, indeed, there are messages associated with this repeated event showing that CPU and memory have been exhausted in the cluster, which explains why new pods are stuck in a pending state. Narrowing the time range to focus only on those events which occurred when the pending pods initially appeared at around 10:45. We can clearly see that there was a scaling replica set event, which coincided with the beginning of these pending pod events. And drilling down even further into the deployment view, we can confirm that indeed there was a scale event, probably an auto-scale event, that led to some initial pending pods. To better understand what other workloads were impacted, back in the event dashboard, we can filter on the scaling replica set event and, in fact, see the same service we already noted, that is the e-commerce blue service. But we can also see that the fulfillment blue service was impacted as well. If we drill down once again into the deployment view to investigate this second service, we can see that at 10:58, it attempted to scale, and in failing to scale, resulted in the second set of pending pods which we originally saw in the cluster view.